Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Basic Introduction. Why do we use a precision air conditioner? This section will explain why we use air conditioners in data centers. If there are no specialized air conditioners in a data center, the center will be unable to maintain a constant temperature. This will reduce the service life of the center's electronic devices. If the temperature rises by 10 degrees, an electronic device becomes 50% less reliable. The second effect is partial superheat. IT equipment constantly releases heat into the data center as it runs. If that heat is not immediately removed, overheating may occur in part of the data center. In this particular area, IT equipment may suddenly shut down. Some examples of how this affects real-life businesses are as follows. On November 11, 2012, Taobao.com shut down briefly due to overheating. And in the Spring Festival period in 2013, the online ticketing website 12306.cn shut down due to part of their data center overheating. Let's think about the impact of humidity. If the humidity is too high, it will generate condensate water on the surface of electronic devices. There is a risk of short-circuiting, and the electronic components could be damaged. If the humidity is too low, it will generate static electricity, which is damaging. The last factor to consider is that the air might be clean enough. If the air is full of dust, it will accumulate on the surface of electronic equipment, leading to equipment damage and possible failure. Based on ANSI/TIA-942-2-2010 Telecommunications Infrastructure Standard for Data Centers, temperature and humidity should be regulated. The temperature should be between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, and humidity should be kept at 60%. The temperature should not vary by more than 5 degrees Celsius. Why use a precision air conditioner instead of a comfort air conditioner? There are some distinct advantages to using a precision air conditioner. The first advantage is COP, or Coefficient of Performance. This coefficient is the ratio of cooling capacity to input power. For example, if we have a 21 kilowatt air conditioner and input 7 kilowatts, and the COP is 3, the greater the COP, the higher the cooling efficiency. This saves energy and money. The precision air conditioner's COP is usually greater than 3, but comfort air conditioner's COP is usually around 2.8 to 2.9. The second advantage of precision air conditioning is a high sensible heat ratio. Sensible heat means heat without moisture, including the heat from IT equipment and computers. This type of heat leads to an immediate temperature increase. Sensible heat can be compared to another type of heat, latent heat, which means heat with moisture, like the heat of a person's breath. Removing this type of heat also requires removing the moisture. A high sensible heat ratio means that the air conditioner can reduce temperature, but it is still difficult to remove moisture. Now, in a data center, most of the heat is sensible heat. There's no need to remove moisture here. And if the sensible heat ratio is low, the air conditioner will remove moisture, resulting in low humidity. This would mean that we would have to use a humidifier to increase the humidity, which would waste energy. Therefore, a high sensible ratio is very desirable variable in a data center. With a precision air conditioner, the sensible heat ratio is above 0.9. But compare with a comfort air conditioner, the sensible heat ratio is usually only 0.65. The third advantage is a high air volume. The larger the air volume, the better the cooling efficiency. A larger volume of air will have better circulation. The next advantage is that a precision air conditioner can work the whole year round, whereas a comfort air conditioner cannot lower the temperature in the winter. Yet another advantage of precision air conditioning is that its high precision control over temperature and humidity means that it can control temperature and humidity very accurately. The precision air conditioner can adjust the temperature by a single degree, 1 degree Celsius. But the comfort air conditioner has a temperature variation range of 5 degrees Celsius, which is much less accurate. The final advantage is a long service life. A precision air conditioner's service life is usually more than 10 years, even if they work all day long. A comfort air conditioner's service life is only around 8 years, and they only work for a few hours per day. If it were to work all day, the service life might be only 3 to 5 years. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.